This video will illustrate the methods that you can use for the application of Compo ornamentation to drywall, mirrors, and finished surfaces. Many of our clients are professionals with their own tried and true methods and are very familiar with the installation of this old world decorative medium. This video is intended to instruct those users who are new to Compo ornamentation or unsure of its application to these types of surfaces. First, let's take a look at the tools required to do the job. Adhesives, painter's masking tape, a cordless drill with a small drill bit, finishing nails, a hammer, and for perfect layout, a framer square, level, and a measuring tape. It's best to work with factory fresh ornaments that are very flat and somewhat soft. If the ornaments are not flat, they can be softened by placing them on a cardboard in a plastic bag overnight with a wet cloth, or for somewhat smaller parts placed in a microwave oven along with a wet cloth on high for between 20 and 60 seconds depending on the size and hardness of the parts. Lineal Compo ornaments can be applied end to end as they come from the factory, or for achieving really tight joints, dip the very ends in boiling water for a few seconds and then they can be squeezed against each other. This actually causes them to fuse together, making an invisible joint. We recommend DAP Quick Seal or Poly Seam Seal for Compo application to unpainted drywall, both of which are easy to get. The adhesive is carefully applied to the backside, making sure not to use too much. If the part is rather light in weight, it can be pressed into place and held against the surface with the application of masking tape, which will serve as a clamp instead of using nails. The masking tape can then be carefully removed as soon as the adhesive takes hold or after about 6 hours. In this clip, a worker prepares for the application of a horizontal motif. Using a level, the position marks are put into place. The adhesive is carefully applied, making sure not to use too much. The adhesive and tape method works fine with this piece, but for cases where the Compo ornament is too heavy or for application to ceilings, it may be necessary to pre-drill and nail the part into place. A decorative Compo panel molding corner is given relocation marks. This corner is to be combined with a compatible wood trim. The quick seal and tape method works well for this application. When the Compo appliques are pre-painted and applied to painted drywall, it's best to use clear silicone with the tape. This eliminates the possibility of the white adhesive showing around the edges of the painted surfaces. Finally, a Compo applique is adhered to glass or a mirror using the clear silicone and tape. In all cases, the ornaments need to be flat to ensure complete adhesion to the work surface. These application techniques can be used to fasten the Compo ornamentation to almost any surface that is not either porous or stable enough for the steam application method.